Good day, Dub Nation.
Today we're taking you along with us as we explore Las Vegas over the weekend.
Let's fly. We are here in Las Vegas at Nellis Air Force Base.
All-you-can-eat Korean barbecue place. Now, I know some of you don't really care for Korean barbecue, but we wanted to share the experience with you because we didn't. This particular all-you-can-eat Korean place, it is $17 per person. You have a limit of 90 minutes, and you have a menu right here. You choose 4 items at once. You can go back and choose more, but you have to remember you only have 90 minutes. It's great.
The tofu house was okay. At first we were really hungry, so it was good to us at the moment. And as we got along during the hour, we kind of just started chasing average. The quality was okay. You know, it wasn't the best, but hey, $17, why not?
Yep.
Today is Saturday. Guess what we're doing? We're going out to a comedy club. But first, we need some gas and go get something to eat.
I came to pick up my baby. I was having some issues with my laptop, and now I can bring you even more great Decorative concert. Sticker!
We decided there wasn't anything good at the food court, so we settled on some Chipotle. Doesn't that look good? Ticket to see Garrett, thanks to Vet Ticket, who gave us the awesome complimentary ticket. So thank you, Vet Tick. So we're gonna go have a good time and check out the show. Are you excited for the show? Yeah? Mm-hmm. It's been a while since we've been to a comedy club.
It's been a long time since we've been to a comedy club.
How did you enjoy the show?
It was really good. I enjoyed it. I laughed a lot. My cheeks even hurt a little bit from smiling.
Those guys were pretty funny.
They were pretty funny.
Yeah. Back home to the rig. We had a wonderful time at the comedy club. That was fun.
That was fun. I really enjoyed that.
Yeah.
And the guys were really funny.
Yeah, it's been a bit since we've gone out together on a date. Time for bed. Poppy
Sleepy time. We are getting some laundry done and food prepping a little bit for the week so we can have healthy alternatives. I'm cooking some corned beef to meal prep for. I thought I could use my instant or my pressure cooker as a slow cooker, but mine doesn't have a temperature control and it was cooking way too slowly, so I decided to pressure cook some. So we're gonna see if it's working. I gotta undo the pressure and everything first. It looks like we have success. It is breaking apart now, just like we want it.
It's the start of another beautiful weekday. We're going to class. You ready to get our education on?
Let's get our education.
We're here to start class. We're going to dealer class. It's gonna be our first full week here, so we're gonna make the best out of it. Are you excited to learn some more blackjack?
Sure. Yes. Yes, I am.
Today I will be your blackjack dealer. We got chips. We got cards. Let's do it. I'm the player, she's the dealer. Let's see what we can do. Well, class is over with for us. We're taking a break, hitting the road. We gotta go feed Polly. How was your dealing day today?
My hand hurts from learning how to do pitch. I got a mark on my hand.
Yeah, we're leveling up. We're pitching. We're going to the big league. Send us up, coach. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out with us this weekend.
We didn't do much, not what we usually do in Vegas, but hey, we are doing the long game here in Vegas this time. We're not here as tourists, we're here to make that money.
Make that moolah, baby!
Hola, baby!
Alright, this is Ace.
And Amanda.
Reminding you,
Keep soaring to the end. Out.